Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets red clear, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave.
Good evening, graduates. I'd like to start by thanking you for joining us for this virtual commencement ceremony. Your university is proud of you. Completing a college degree is challenging under ordinary circumstances. You have overcome those challenges and many obstacles we could not have imagined a year ago. Your determination is inspiring to me and to so many of us at SVSU, and it will serve you well in your careers. You are joining a network of SVSU alumni who have distinguished themselves in the fields of arts and behavioral sciences. By pursuing a career in these fields, you are expected to be thought leaders. You carry with you a commitment to improving our society in unique and important ways. To all of our graduates watching this virtual ceremony, I offer my heartfelt congratulations. Celebrate your accomplishment. You have earned it. This occasion marks the end of a long journey. It has been demanding, but I hope you have also found it to be rewarding and inspiring. As you prepare to celebrate, let us also recognize those who are celebrating with you: your parents, your grandparents, your siblings, your spouses, and all of your family and friends who have supported you and have sacrificed for you. We also recognize the SVSU faculty and staff who have mentored you and pushed you along the way. Those relationships continue even after your degree is complete. We truly are a community. Challenging times often lead us to remember our common bond and strengthen our relationships with one another. Those relationships are what get us through the tough times and bring meaning to our joyous times. Once again, my sincerest congratulations to each of you. We hope you will stay in touch with us, and we look forward to seeing you visit your alma mater often. As we approach the holiday season, let us focus on hope. Not an empty hope that is undefined, but a hope for a bright future and a meaningful career that rests on the fact that you are a Saginaw Valley State University graduate.
Good evening. I am Deborah Huntley, Provost and Vice President for Academic Affairs, and it is my honor to present those graduates who have earned advanced degrees from the College of Arts and Behavioral Sciences. On behalf of my colleagues at Saginaw Valley State University, we admire your hard work, dedication, and tenacity that have allowed you to reach your academic goals and prepare for your professional career. Receiving a master's degree from SVSU has equipped you to take the next step in public administration or communication and media administration. The knowledge, skills, and perspectives that you have gained will serve you well, along many different career paths. As graduates from SVSU, we are confident that you are prepared for leadership roles wherever your career may take you, and we look forward to hearing about the many ways that you will utilize your talents and education to better the lives of others in your communities. Many of you already have. No matter what your next step might be, we know that your professional contributions will be as unique as the talents that you have brought to your graduate program, and we are pleased that you will represent SVSU with passion, professionalism, and enthusiasm. Congratulations to each of you, and best wishes.
Hello, I'm Dr. Mark Peretz, Dean of the College of Arts and Behavioral Sciences, and on behalf of the faculty and staff of the college, I want to congratulate you on your graduation. You should feel confident that you're ready to meet the uncertainties of the future. You will be able to solve problems that have yet to be identified using technologies that haven't been invented and in roles and occupations that don't currently exist. To meet these new challenges, you've learned to analyze information, think critically and divergently, problem solve, and communicate effectively. Given the manner in which you rose to overcome the difficulties that we faced together this past year, you've shown you're ready to confront whatever you may face in the future. We are incredibly proud of each of you and wish you all the very best as you pursue your dreams.
Congratulations, Cardinals, you did it. And while it may look a little different than any of us could have anticipated, this is still your moment. SVSU helped me find my passion, both during school and after graduation. After practicing law for a couple of years, I knew that wasn't the right choice for me. And my professors at SVSU helped me to find a new path, connecting me with alumni and amazing opportunities that led me to where I am today, doing policy and advocacy work for a nonprofit in Detroit. So now as you go off to follow your dreams, I want you to remember, you may be leaving SVSU, but SVSU will never leave you. Go Cards.